I am back with another video, and today I will be doing a comparison video of my 1000 horsepower purple Dodge Demon and the 2023 Demon 170. My purple Demon has 1000 horsepower. The Demon 170 has 1025 horsepower. My purple Demon is significantly louder, but the supercharger on the Demon 170 is not even comparable. Probably the loudest supercharger I've ever heard in my life. Just gonna do some, pulls, talk about what I like about them, what I don't like about them, and if you're interested in any of that kind of stuff, watch this video. My camera guys are gonna be here soon, and as soon as they get here, we are going to get rolling with this video. I appreciate all of the support that y'all give me. My channel is growing pretty quickly, and it's all because of you guys. I'm pumping out content, and y'all are liking it. It takes a lot of time and effort. I actually work pretty hard at making videos, believe it or not. One thing y'all got to explain to me is why are the Porsches the least, I've made videos on both of these cars, and those videos did the worst out of any video on my channel. I'm a little confused, man. Y'all gonna have to explain to me what in the world. Would you rather me have a Huracan? You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. If y'all get me to 100,000 subs, I will buy a Huracan. Get me to 100,000 subscribers, I'll buy a Huracan. Now it's up to y'all. Make it happen. No. No. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my god, I can't reach that. There's no way. No, the robot. The robot is underneath GT3RS. Come on out, please. Go find somewhere else to play. Oh my. This works this time. There we go. Love when that works.
Oh my.
So this is the interior we went with the Demon 170. We got the demonic red seats. This is number 2,335 of 3,000 of the 170s. This is a kind of crazy story on how I got this car. Basically there's a dealer in North Carolina, and his name is Smooth Hemi. Y'all may know him from social media, y'all may not. Mopar lovers might know who he is. When they released this car, they brought it on a helicopter in Vegas and did this whole drag strip thing, and I reached out to Smooth Hemi because I had already bought the jailbreak. I was like, hey, what are my chances of getting this car? He said, not very good. They our list for one is already like 28 people long. I was like, okay, wow, all right, well, so I'm not getting a Demon 170. He said, but you want me to put your name on the list? I said, yep. So he put the name on the list. A little bit of time goes by, and I get a call from Smooth Hemi, and he goes, congratulations, you got picked to have a Demon 170. I was like, what? He goes, yeah, the owner of our dealership decided that he was gonna do a drawing instead of just giving this car to random people, because when this car came out, everyone wanted one. So everyone was calling all over the country just to get one. That's how I got this car. This car is like blistering fast. If you've ever been in a Tesla Plaid, that is what this feels like, except this has noise. That's the best way I can describe it. Appreciate you for letting me get out. Yeah, that's the best way I can describe it. Is just, this car has noise, but it's instant power, instant torque. It's absolutely insane. This is the fastest straight line car that I have. I mean, it's the fastest straight line production car, fastest 0 to 60 production car ever made. The new ZR1 X Corvette is the fastest top end, but this car, as far as 0 to 60 straight line, there's not a car in the world that will beat it. And I'm sure there are going to be people that are in the comments and be like, yes there is, Bryce, yes there is, like this, and this. If you do this, if you put this supercharger on this, if you tune this, if you put boost in this, it doesn't matter. It's not factory, it's not mass production, doesn't have a warranty to it. This is the fastest mass production vehicle ever made with a warranty. This car is completely stock. I've not done anything to it. It has 700 miles on it. So it's been driven. I've had it since around 2 Decembers. So I got it 2 Decembers ago, not this most recent one, but the one before that. So I've had it for well over a year now. It isn't driven a whole lot. I never put E85 in it unless I know I'm going to drive it, because if you do that, the car sits for a while, the injectors will get clogged. So for people out there that just let their car sit with E85 in it, don't do that. You're ruining your car. Just want to throw that out there. This car is a lot faster than the Demon. I mean, it's not, I wouldn't say a lot faster, but it is definitely faster than the 2018 Demon. It's a lot faster than the jailbreak. Like I said, this is the fastest car that I have. This one has a 3-liter supercharger, which is massive. It's got a lot more. It has a much stronger drive shaft, much stronger axles than the regular Demon. Basically, all they did was they took a Demon, they reduced the weight of that Demon, so they took the front fenders off. Everything that was heavy on the original Demon, they took that off, replaced it with carbon fiber or whatever. The wheels, carbon fiber wheels, and they just upgraded the 2018 Demon. And so if you've ever driven a Demon before, just think of that on steroids, which is really hard to fathom, because the 2018 Demon is wild.
I'm trying to keep up, but I can't. It's a mute. Peep the tag, D170. Why you like to me? I know you made want to marry with me. Bitch, my heart has so much more heaven told it maybe.
This is the interior of the 2018 Plum Crazy Dodge Demon. I just got the black interior, the demonic red seat belts. This is number 2,569 of 3,000 of the Demons that were made in 2018. This Demon is significantly louder than the Demon 170 because I've modified it. As you can see.
My God, dude.
So as you can see, this car is a lot more aggressive sound-wise. The exhaust this is the loudest car I have by far. It's so loud that it kind of overcomes the supercharger. You don't really hear the whine as much. Obviously you can hear it a little bit, but not as clear as the Demon 170. I'd say the main difference in this Demon compared to the Demon 170 is the 170 is a lot twitchier. It's a lot more, there's a lot more torque, so it doesn't take quite as much to get it to go. It's very sensitive. The sounds in the Demon 170 are pretty crazy for it being a stock vehicle. The supercharger is so loud. And another thing is when you punch it, it grabs and it goes. There's no spin. Now, besides earlier, because in this video you've already seen me spin it, but for the most part, when you're in like a 40 roll or a 60 roll and you punch it, it's not gonna spin. It grabs and it takes off. While as the Hellcats, they spin like crazy. I'm here at Chick-fil-A and it never fails. The line at Chick-fil-A is a mile long, so go that side. There's 2 lanes and they're telling me to get in this lane, but I can't get in this lane until this car gets in that lane. Stupid people, man. Stupid people. better roll your window up. Hey, good, how are you?
Doing well. What's a good name for the order?
Rice.
Rice.
Can I do a number 1
Number 1.
with a large water?
Large water. Okay.
And then can I do another number 1,
Mm-hmm.
but just a sandwich?
Just a sandwich. Okay. You're all set.
Thank you. You too. She wanted me.
Dude, I can't even focus when he does that, bro.
Dude, I swear it gets louder and louder each time we record with him.
Dude, I can't. I can like barely focus.
I'm in a Jetta. Like, how am I supposed to keep up with him? What are you doing?
Bryce, if you're seeing this, we definitely didn't drop the mic out the window. That definitely didn't happen.
Trying to, at least. Trying to see who's in the car. Look at the guy, he's coming.
You hear him?
Yeah, I go, woo!
Bro, holy shit. That guy in the,
yeah, we got
that
it.
white, you saw him
Oh, yeah.
behind y'all?
We got it on camera.
He was, he was got next to me.
Yeah.
I think he thought it was a Hellcat. I saw him look once, and he... That's gonna do it for today's video. I appreciate all the support. Like I said at the beginning, it means a ton to me. Let's continue to grow this channel. Yeah, I appreciate all of y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next one.